Hi, class. Welcome back. And we are on module 10 now, so we're moving along with the class. And so this week, we are going to move on to look at politics and the economy. And so what you're going to do is you're going to read the text and have just a short video this week. So there's not as much work as normal. Um, and of course, we're going to respond to last week's initial posts and complete a Dropbox assignment that's associated with the chapter. So again, there's no extra videos really except for the short video I have. So this week you're gonna start reading chapter 9. I'll start responding to the chapter 9 discussion threads. And remember, 3 different days, 3 responses to of the each of the threads. Then read chapter 10, complete the chapter 10 Dropbox assignment, which is associated with the chapter, and watch the crash course video on capitalism and socialism, and post 2 initial posts. And as usual, do not start responding until these posts for this week. And then, as normal, we have our quiz, which you have 2 weeks to take. Everything else you have 1 week to complete. And I have to change things up a little bit with the due dates, but there will be much less time because we're not in class, and I will make adjustments to accommodate. So just going through everything. And this will be a short presentation for me as well. You have the Dropbox 10, 4 questions, 1 to 2 complete paragraph answers as a minimum. Please do not just put a couple sentences down. This is college, so we don't generally accept that kind of answer. And then we have a discussion forum on capitalism and socialism. And here's where I want you to try to break away from ideology. So I want you to think about shortcomings of capitalism. And this shouldn't be too difficult to do. And again, you're going to post, identify and discuss a shortcoming of socialism. So you're going to discuss one and the other, and both looking at a shortcoming where they don't fill in the gaps. Where they don't fill in every single area. So not every need is met with either system, and you're going to address that. Other than that, this is a fairly simple week. Not much to do, but one thing I really hope everyone's doing is taking care of yourself and trying to maintain some positivity where you can. I know that there's been some major changes going on, and you didn't sign up for an online class, and I do apologize. We had to move to this. A lot of students are really upset about it, but I do think we should make the best of the situation and try to adapt. One thing that we try to push forward as an essential skill for students graduating college is to have the ability to overcome adversity. So when something unexpected happens that is not what you expected, how do you possibly cope with it? I'm here for you if you have any questions or any feedback. Just because I'm not face to face with you does not mean that I'm not here for you. So please be sure to send me an email if any questions, and I will respond to you. I appreciate all your patience and the work that has been done. And take care of yourselves. And again, get a hold of me if any questions. Thank you.